Does this holiday season create stress in your life? You may be overwhelmed with juggling work, home responsibilities, travel, and celebrations. Yet this is the time to slow down and take time for yourself. I invite you to gift yourself time and space for mindfulness practice, to harvest self-love with sound and movement. Welcome. I'm Bettina Neumann, a physical therapist and sound healer, and founder of Rising Sun Physical Therapy and Auras Transformation. Prepare a place where you can light a candle and call it your space, your time, where nobody can disturb you. Then I invite you to sit either on the floor on a pillow, or you can sit on a chair. Allow your body to be carried by your sit bones and held by the earth. Pay attention to how you sense your feet, your ankle, legs, hips, pelvis, spine, head, arms, and head, and how your spine is building up over your pelvis and how your head is carried by the spine. Follow the sound. Stay present. If your mind wanders, return to your breath. Breathing naturally. Next time you're breathing out naturally, use a gentle hum sound. Keep repeating the humming while breathing out. Let the humming sound surround your body. Notice the vibration inside your bones in your rib cage. Sound and the vibrations are traveling into your spine, into your pelvis, into your hips, your thigh bones, your lower legs, and all the bones in your feet. You're humming with each exhale. And let that sound, that vibration travel back up your legs, into your hips, into your pelvis. Let it travel up your spine, all the way up into your head. Let your whole skull vibrate, then into your shoulder girdle, into your arms, all the way into your hands. Let all your bones of your body vibrate with Then you're putting your hands on your heart. Connect with your heart, breathing naturally. Notice what is alive in you right now. Breathing in, breathing out. Now scan your body again. How do you feel your sit bones now? Your feet, your ankles, your legs, your hips, your pelvis, your spine, your head, arms, and hands. Pay attention to any changes. Maybe you feel heavier or lighter, warmer or cooler than before, or any other shift you may sense. I encourage you to practice this mindfulness daily for at least 7 days and feel the changes through the time, through the days. If you liked this video, subscribe below and share it with your friends and family. Through December, I posted weekly mindfulness practices and introduced you to the Rauhnächte on letting go of the old and preparing for the new year. So please accept this gift, entirely free for you, to join a guided 12-day mindfulness journey starting at dawn on the 21st, which is the longest night of the year. I will show you themed mindfulness practices to center and go inward and prepare for the new year and get to know yourself differently. So please join me starting on the 21st, and check out our website aurastransformation.net and check out below. There's a link to sign up for the guided mindfulness journey.